A dish drying cabinet is a piece of kitchen shelving placed above the sink, with an open bottom and shelves made of steel wire or dowels to allow washed dishes set within to drip into the sink and air dry. The DripDry or DripDry brand provides an installation kit that helps modify or prepare the bottom of a cabinet so that a rack can drain directly to the sink. While recorded history of the idea goes back as far as 1876 with a patent application by an American inventor Chandler Vashti, the concept was popularized in Finland in the 1940s by Maiju Gebhard, the head of the household department at the Finnish Work Efficiency Institute. Though Gebhard had introduced a doorless, wall-mounted dish drying rack in her 1930 book Päivänviljelijämaninkaat Halasopas, her 1940s cabinet was inspired by a countertop dish drying rack used in Sweden. Gebhard's motivation was to save the time and effort of women. According to her calculations, a Finnish housewife spent 30,450 hours of her life washing dishes, and the dish drying cabinet resulted in a time saving of 50%. Gebhard developed the dish drying cabinet in 1944 and 1945, and the institute started manufacturing the cabinets and selling the design in 1945. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.